My name is Nina Hanicek and I'm the leading developer of the Point of Interest Broker. As one of the LSST community brokers, the Point of Interest Broker enables users to get updates on variable star observations within interesting regions on the sky. Those regions can be either predefined, such as known stellar streams, dwarf galaxies, and globular clusters, as well as created by users, such as tailored to their needs. The service will be constantly updated with regions of interest so that users can easily query for objects which are associated with a given region, such as from recent publications. With an LSST, the Point of Interest Broker will add value to especially 2 of the 4 science pillars as specified for LSST: exploring the transient optical sky and mapping the Milky Way. By making use of large and deep sets of variable stars, data from the Point of Interest Broker will help users to understand the nature of stellar halo of our Milky Way, and by that constraining its history. The Point of Interest Broker is currently processing CDF streams. The broker backend performs functionality such as ingesting and storing the stream, generating light curves beyond the 30-day light curve limit from the alert, annotating the stream by calculating light curve features, and performing catalog cross-matches. The backend is implemented in Python with Weave and uses a SQLite 3 database. The front end serves as a user interface, allowing for selecting and filtering alerts, displaying information such as science images and features, as well as found cross-matches, and in addition allowing for downloading filtered data. The front end is implemented in Python with Flask and SQL Alchemy. We now take a quick look at the front end. The front end first displays a table of recent alerts, where the alerts can be filtered by such as date, time, coordinates, and magnitudes. By clicking on an alert, a dialog allows for showing the plotted light curve along with the postage stamps, displaying calculated light curve features such as amplitudes and periods, and displaying cross-match and classification results. Recently, the Point of Interest Broker became a downstream broker from Antares, which will enable it to make use of classification and data cleaning provided by Antares, whereas Point of Interest adds specific classification functionality.